Look at the size of this place. Incredible. The jungle's completely taken over. Be careful. We don't know what's inside.
And watch your step.
Flashlight on. Air's thick with dust. Whoa, these cracks are deep. Careful, humidity's made it unstable.
These vines are thick. Watch out above, cutting the balcony. Almost clear here. Good work. Let's get this entrance open. These vines are tough. Clearing the balcony now. Good. Drag the big ones clear.
Let's get this hallway cleared. Focus on the stairs.
Copy that. This mud is thick.
Keep it up. Floor's looking better. Got it. This furniture is heavy.
I'll break it down. You load.
Path to the stairs is almost clear.
Beside this restored mansion, the luxury upgrade begins.
Align the edge for the infinity view.
The infinity pool captures the jungle's beauty.
Perfect. The resort vision is becoming real.